Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can block someone on WhatsApp step by step tutorial you can see over here. So let's get started. To block someone on WhatsApp, so you have to do is click on WhatsApp and turn your WhatsApp on, and comes in your chat section, and then you will see over here on iPhone you have to do is simply scroll to the left, and as you can see two options over here, more or archive. So you have to do is click on our more option over here. So once you click on more, you will see these option over here, or like the pop-up menu over here. So you can see over here at the last you will see block this person, or like you can see over here delete chat as well. So once you click on block, it's gonna be show you this pop-up over here. So you have to do is click on this block option over here. Once you click on that, your person will be blocked. So as you can see over here, this person is blocked, and as you can see, this is blocked. And that's it. That's how you can block someone on WhatsApp. It's super easy to do. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.